So, alam. Morning, guys.
Hello!
Ay, ayun nga.
Ay, wala akong gifter eh.
Pabugbog.
Wala
Pabugbog na
akong
lang.
gifter, pabagbog.
Ako nga mambubugbog.
Ah, sige, sige.
Para
Ay,
ano.
libig rin kita. Ay, Sir Noel. Huwebes. Guys, stop the screen hanggang sa mabasag screen nyo.
Ayos yan eh. Lakas niya din ah. Ayan natin. May win streak kang 3.
Ay, sorry, hindi ko alam. Meron akong ganyan eh.
Thank you, Miss Janine.
Hi, Ma'am Cathy. Welcome po.
Yes, Mama, hello.
Ikaw ba talaga yan, Mark?
I'm good. How are you? Yes, Mama. Are you good?
Ay, nasasap pa rin. Alin? Oo. Oo, nakabukas.
It has a beautiful house. It's pretty good though. I like it. When I get my dream house, the paint color is black and white only. If ever get a chance, Philippines is from the Philippines. If ever get a chance to have a house, only black and white. You mean our Spencer Mansion? Not Spencer Mansion. You guys are welcome there. I can put like 10 rooms. Good? Or yeah, I'm gonna put a lot of guest rooms. So when you guys are sad and wanted to hang out, you can go to my place and we can do dance, you know? Like see that? Can do like that. 10 rooms is big, Spencer. Well, I got a lot of family friends here. So yeah, you can guys live with me as well. Let's go. Onik, taga saan ka?
Cavite, bakit?
Chill, tatanong lang eh. Galit ka na eh.
Galit ba ako? Hindi ah.
Malapit lang pala eh, Laguna ako eh.
Layo nga eh.
Layo nga
Lapit
eh.
pa yun.
Oh! Lapit-lapit eh. American friends, right?
Paro G. Papa Paro G. Paro G.
Ala, makukuha ko yung win streak mo today.
Bahala ka.
Kasi ayaw mong pabugbog eh.
Hello, Spencer. Thank
Ako
you.
yan, ako yan.
Ay,
Ako yan.
sorry. Hindi kasi ako nag-ano yung nagbabasa eh.
Okay lang yan. Oh,
Tamang
mag-thank you
level
ka.
na kasi ako.
Mag-thank you na lang sa mga sa mga followers ko na tinapos nila yung win streak.
Sige. Thank you kay Jenin, Rach, and Laura Lab, and Kristen, and Ma'am Brendal, Lighton, Brownie, Mama, Nizar, Donors, GMA, Lover for Breed, and last sa mga followers niya, shout out.
Talaga
Yan.
yung ginawa. Guys, follow nyo yan, guys.
Oy,
O yan na,
thank you po.
pinapollow na kita ha.
Sige lang.
Ah, ingat ka dyan. Galingan mo dyan
Okay,
sa Cavite.
okay. Thank you sa pagpa